Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for central Osage County in northeast Oklahoma until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over central Osage County, moving east at 30 miles an hour. The tornado will otherwise remain over mainly rural areas of the indicated county. Precautionary preparedness actions. If you are near the path of this storm, take cover now. If no underground shelter is available, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Mobile homes and vehicles should be abandoned for more substantial shelter. Avoid windows. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. Take cover now. If you wait to see or hear it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place. Repeating, the National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for central Osage County in northeast Oklahoma until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.